Welcome to another video. So this will be the output for Tripo using the following images. So we have over here the front, left, right, and the back view. These are the images, so the first four over here. And the output mesh will look as following. So we're gonna see over here that for this logo, the texture is not that perfectly aligned with the model. If I'm gonna check the output model mesh, it will look like this. The same will be over here, as you're gonna see that will a little bit further extend beyond that extruded shape over here. But overall, considering that this was created using only 4 images, I think that the overall quality of the mesh is quite decent. So we see over here that even on the front, it will look as following. So it does require additional smoothing over here. For example, this is the front view. If I'm gonna go over here and I will check the front reference, it used to look like this. So this was the original one, this from a 3D scan from Artec. And as we can see, even that 3D scan was a little bit jagged over here. So those have also been added over here. But this section is a little bit more jagged than that. So we can also change the smooth over here. So this will be flat, and I can set it to smooth over here directly within the viewport. And if I will zoom in within the interior, we're gonna see that it will look as following. So we have over here another interior section within the shoe. As we can see, this will be the interior, but actually over here on the front, it will have the following section. So this doesn't go all the way. This is the difference between flat and smooth. So even though this is set to smooth, that will look over here as following. Now there are also some other shaders over here, so we can also visualize the normal. And over here we can see that actually this inner section will go all the way up to here. This will be the cartoon style. As you can see, it will look as following. We also have the sketch style. And the most interesting one will be the hologram style. And this will also have an animation, so we see that going from the bottom of the 3D model up towards the top section. So quite an interesting animation. And again, keep in mind that this is version model 3, and they will soon release 3.1. And I'm really curious to compare that against this model. So I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.